Introduction to AI and ML. As of late, the field of AI, ML, has seen unimaginable progressions and has altered various businesses. From self-driving vehicles to remote helpers and customized suggestions, ML has turned into a vital piece of our lives. Notwithstanding, for those new to the subject, understanding the crucial ideas and marks related to AI can appear to be overpowering. In this session, I will demystify AI by separating key terms and making sense of their importance in the realm of ML. AI, ML. AI alludes to the part of man-made brainpower, simulated intelligence, that empowers PCs to gain from and settle on forecasts or choices in view of information. Rather than being unequivocally customized, ML models learn examples and connections inside the information to make canny forecasts or make moves. Names. With regards to AI, names, otherwise called target factors or result factors, address the ideal results or expectations for a given arrangement of information. Names are normally relegated to a dataset by human specialists, and they act as the ground truth for preparing an AI model. For instance, in an email spam recognition framework, the names would demonstrate regardless of whether an email is spam. Managed learning. Managed learning is a sort of AI where the calculation gains from named models given in the preparation dataset. The dataset comprises info that includes and compares names, permitting the model to get familiar with the connection between the highlights and the ideal results. The objective of regulated learning is to prepare a model that can precisely anticipate the marks for new, concealed information. Solo learning. Not at all like regulated learning, solo learning includes preparing models on unlabeled information. For this situation, the calculation means finding examples, designs, or connections inside the information with next to no predefined names. Unaided learning calculations are frequently utilized for undertakings like grouping, irregularity identification, and dimensionality decrease. Order. Grouping is a directed learning task where the objective is to anticipate discrete names or classes for new cases in light of their highlights. The calculation gains from named preparing information and sums up the examples to precisely order inconspicuous information. Instances of arrangement issues incorporate email spam identification, opinion investigation, and picture acknowledgement. Relapse. Relapse is one more managed learning task. However, rather than anticipating discrete marks, it expects to foresee ceaseless mathematical qualities. Relapse models gain from marked preparing information and layout connections between the information highlights and the objective variable. This permits the model to make expectations on new pieces of information. Instances of relapse errands incorporate anticipating lodging costs, financial exchange patterns, or deal gauging. Preparing and testing information. To create and assess an AI model, the accessible dataset is commonly parted into two subsets: preparing information and testing information. The preparation information is utilized to prepare the model by presenting it to named models, permitting it to learn examples and make expectations. The testing information, then again, is utilized to assess the model's presentation by estimating its precision on concealed information. This evaluates how well the model sums up new occasions. Conclusion. AI is a tremendous and invigorating field that has changed different enterprises and keeps on driving mechanical development. Understanding key ideas and names in AI is crucial for handling the essentials and applying ML methods successfully. In this session, we investigated the meaning of names, managed and unaided learning, order, relapse, and the significance of preparing and testing information. By demystifying these ideas, we desire to move and enable people to investigate the universe of AI further and release its true capacity.